What if your AI assistant could shift between a quirky friend, a polished professional, and a candid truth-teller on command? And what if it could also think longer when problems get tough while blazing through the simple stuff? That's exactly what OpenAI's new GPT 5.1 models aim to deliver. Welcome to Weekly AI Digest, your bite-sized roundup of the most important AI news. Today we're breaking down OpenAI's release of GPT 5.1 Instant and GPT 5.1. Thinking, exploring how adaptive reasoning and 8 new personality presets change the ChatGPT experience, and looking at what group chats and Google's private AI compute mean for collaboration and privacy. Let's get into it. OpenAI's latest update introduces 2 upgraded models inside ChatGPT: GPT 5.1 Instant and GPT 5.1. Thinking. Instant is now warmer and more conversational by default, without drifting into fluff. For the first time, it uses adaptive reasoning to decide when to think more deeply before responding. That means it takes extra time for complex prompts while staying fast on easy ones. According to early evaluations, this approach leads to big improvements on math and coding benchmarks. GPT 5.1. Thinking, the more advanced model, also adjusts how long it reasons. It spends more time on difficult questions and speeds through straightforward ones. On average, it's twice as fast on the simplest queries, and twice as slow on the toughest. The output is also clearer, using less jargon and fewer undefined terms. To make the chatbot feel more human, OpenAI has revamped personalization. There are now 8 personality presets: default, professional, friendly, candid, quirky, efficient, nerdy, and cynical. Each transforms how ChatGPT responds. Professional sounds polished and precise. Friendly is warm and supportive. Quirky is playful and imaginative. Candid gives blunt, direct advice. You can also adjust characteristics like conciseness, warmth, and emoji frequency. And ChatGPT can offer to change its tone mid-conversation. These preferences apply across all chats. Why does this matter? On a practical level, GPT 5.1 Instant's adaptive reasoning means you'll get deeper analysis when tackling hard problems, like debugging code or drafting complex documents, and snappier responses when asking for quick summaries. GPT 5.1. Thinking's dynamic pacing makes long research tasks more thorough while shaving off time on simpler follow-ups. For everyday users, the new personalities make ChatGPT feel more customizable. You can match the tone to your mood or task. For creators and businesses, it helps maintain a consistent brand voice. Without custom model training, a marketing team can set a professional tone for press releases, then switch to quirky for social media. The improved instruction following reduces revisions and keeps workflows smoother. On the safety front, OpenAI published a system card addendum, showing small regressions in certain sensitive categories. These are minor but notable, and OpenAI says it's actively addressing them. Meanwhile, competition is heating up. Claude focuses on memory and contextual awareness. Gemini powers complex business workflows. Mistral pushes the limits of open-source GPT 5.1's warmth, speed, and personalization are designed to keep ChatGPT ahead in a crowded field. Looking ahead, adaptive reasoning hints at a future where models self-regulate their resource use, thinking harder only when necessary. Personalization will likely become more flexible, letting you fine-tune voice and sentiment on a spectrum. Safety updates, transparent system cards, and rapid iteration will continue as the model evolves. As rival models scale up, we may soon see cross-model comparison tools that help users pick the assistant that best fits their needs. That wraps up this week's deep dive into GPT 5.1. If you're a ChatGPT user, Which personality style are you excited to try first? Professional, candid, quirky, or maybe cynical? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more AI insights every week. See you next Sunday. Thank you.